What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on how I was able to make $1,300 in one day. And that was yesterday. Today, so far, we're at 113. And basically, all you need to do is 4 steps. So first, let me refresh the page here. As you can see, everything is still the same. Now, to do this, you got 4 simple steps. And I removed damn near every barrier I possibly can for you guys. So number 1 is you sign up to a CPA network. All right. I know a lot of people are not going to be able to get into a regular network, and then they're stuck with CPA lead, CPA grip, stuff like that. Right. So as of right now, at the making of this video, it could quite literally change tomorrow. But right now, CPAbase.net is an instant approval. And the exact offers that you see right here are the exact offers that are in here. Right. So definitely make sure you check that out. And next, we got picking an offer with a high EPC. So a lot of people are going to be focused on the offer payout rather than the EPC. So the EPC is way more important because let's say you got an offer that's paying out $30 and you got an offer that's paying out $3. The average person is going to be like, oh, I'm going to promote $30 offer because it pays out more money, right? Or it could be a $5 offer versus a $1 offer, etc. Right? But let's say your EPC is at 15 cents for the $30 offer, but your EPC is at $1.50 for the $3 offer. You're going to make 10 times more money promoting a $3 offer than you will with a $30 offer because the EPC converts. Because the offer is converting at a much higher rate. It's literally basically every 2 clicks you're getting a conversion versus, I don't even know the math off the top of my head, but you're not getting many conversions off the $30 offer, right? So make sure you start focusing on the EPC rather than just focusing on the offer payout. Number 3, research. And I also should have added in testing, but researching and testing, guys, this is super, 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 super important. There is no need to reinvent the wheel. Look at what's already working. If you see someone promoting Survey Junkie and inbox dollars, whatever the case may be, whatever you see them posting, that's what you want to tap in with. All right. You want to make sure that you're copying the way that they're promoting. You want to copy, well, not copy, you want to model, check out the hashtags, check out the titles, check out the hooks, and just model what's already working. Very important. No need to reinvent the wheel. And then number 4 is showing them what they want to see in the video, right? So let's say, all right, so let's say we're doing this one right here, right? So Netflix. We can say, hey, this job is paying $53,000 to $80,000 a year through Netflix. And then you go over here. And as you can see, boom. Right? This is Netflix. And this landing page, this employee dashboard, everything's already done for you. All right. Then from here, you would just say, and while you're waiting on your job application, make sure you check out yada, yada, yada. So whatever your landing page would be. So what you see on the screen, just replace this with your landing page. And that's it. And I kid you not, 30 to 50 second video, that's all you need. And you just remake that video over and over and over. And one of them will eventually go viral. That's simple. So you don't have to make the landing page. You don't have to go out and find the jobs that are actually legit, because this is a legit job. You don't have to go out and look for that. You don't have to build out any of these employee dashboards. You just go to d'angelocobb.com, click client portal, and then boom, it's right here. Like, it did every single one of these reload every single time you refresh the page. So you come over here, refresh. Again, you refresh. See, every single time the numbers will be different. All right, so you don't have to worry about anyone else having the same exact numbers, and it's building credibility just in case there's any overlapping. All right, and if you click this little flower in the corner, boom, that disappears. And then you can scroll down a little bit right here so you don't see the actual name of the person on the screen. And you can say, oh, yeah, last time I just got paid was on June 19th. And again, to get that job, jump over here to tempbird.com and just click get started. And then it'll be right here towards the top. And then again, why are you waiting for that? Make sure you come over here to Bootcamp 33. And this will teach you how you can make money online. Done. I kid you not. Like, that's literally all you have to do. Show them what they want to see, then give them something for the meantime so they can do that right now. And then you show them some more results. That's it. That's the entire process, guys. And then all you have to do It's just repeat steps 1 through 4, 2 times a day. That's it. And then you want to throw that on every platform possible. That's another thing too, guys. The video that made me this money right here on TikTok, it did 0 views, but that's because I fucked up my TikTok account. I was testing and uploaded from like 10 different accounts on one network without a VPN or anything. I just wanted to see what would happen. And for like I would say first couple of days, everything was fine. Like nothing ever happened. And then bam, every single video was 0. Every single video on every single account went to 0. So yeah, that's just how I was just test things out, guys. Always be testing. Test, and test some more. All right, so I actually found another angle that I want to test out today. So I'm about to go and buy. They have like this plan where you can do like 4. It's like 4 crappy phones, but it's like good enough for TikTok, and you can get 4 phones for $100 on this like all different lines. Telling you guys, don't sleep on this. It has never been easier to make money doing this stuff, like it did one of my accounts. Oh, and the crazy thing is about the account that I'm talking about with this right here. 8 posts on Instagram, 8 posts in, and it had his very first video to do like 20-30K views. And that's where that came from. And that was it. All right. But anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to join the boot camp, as you see is down here. All right, you can start 100% free. I'll give you 3 videos every single week. And I'll probably the title, hashtags, captions. Like literally, you don't have to do anything outside of just copy and paste. And that's it. It'll be your links from the CPA network in there, as you can see. Like everything is like pretty much done for you. The wild part is all you have to do is just create the accounts and upload. I kid you not, maybe let's say max an hour worth of work out the entire month. And people still won't do that. Still will not do it. They'll talk about all day long how much they hate their job, how much, how bad they want to make $1,000 a day, how bad they want to have their first 20K month, how bad they want to travel this place, or they want to go over here, or they want this car. It's just wanting, though. Like wanting something is easy. A lot of people will just never make it in this space just simply because they aren't taking any action. Like it's like a lot of people, I don't know what to do. Then a lot of people are entitled. They think that like you should convince them to make money. Like, but I blame the MLMers for that stupid shit. Like anyone who ever makes money will never be in your inbox. Ever. It will never happen. If they make money from what they're selling, if they make money from whatever the program that they're in, they will not be in your inbox every Friday when you get paid. Fuck no. Absolutely not. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below.